welcome the distinguished VIP guests to the UNGGC International Workshop on the integration of terrestrial, maritime, build, and cadastral domains. Please give a big round of applause. To officially commence this event, we invite Mr. Mu to ceremonially strike the gong. Please give him a round of applause.
UNGGC International Workshop welcoming dinner. Join the live
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman, no time to talk. The music loud, my women want my being kicked around since I was born. But now it's alright, it's okay, and you may look the other way. So we can try to understand the New York Times up there, man. Staying alive, staying alive. You see it in your name, I'm shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Oh, when you walk, I'm going nowhere. Somebody help me, help me, help me. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me, yeah. I'm going nowhere. Somebody help me, help me, help me. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me, yeah. Your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, 'cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Wonderful Indonesia! Only when the dust says you start to regret all the things that you've been fighting for. 'Cause no one knows what you planned out. Everything that you built up isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, 'cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, 'cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind.
So my sincere thanks to the team at BIG here in Indonesia who've done an amazing job to coordinate this event. As I said in the workshop, this is the best event I've ever attended. The care and attention that people have paid to the participants has been overwhelming and we really appreciate it. In terms of the content, I think it's been wonderful to see how we can get people from a range of different domains to come together and talk about their problems and potential solutions. And this is not the end of the conversation, but I think we've had a wonderful start to that conversation. It's my first time to Indonesia and I've been so impressed with the people, first of all. The people have been so kind, so friendly, so welcoming. And to add on to that, we had the benefit of experiencing the wonderful food and culture of Indonesia as well. Some of the food that I've had, it's at that perfect point of spicy, in my opinion. I traditionally don't eat a lot of spicy food, but I think you found the edge of what I can tolerate, and I really enjoyed that spiciness and that food, and of course the people. So thank you for that.
Oke, jadi event ini diselenggarakan karena permintaan dari United Nations Statistical Division. Waktu itu ada acara di Meksiko tahun 2022 awal. Jadi menginginkan Indonesia menjadi host karena dipandang menjadi tempat yang nyaman untuk melakukan segala aktivitas dan sangat kondusif. Jadi kita juga mempunyai tantangan banyak karena kita harus mempersiapkan dari sisi teknis juga. Jadi dan anggapan dari para peserta ternyata memang kita mampu untuk menyelenggarakan event tingkat internasional ini, dan diharapkan lagi akan banyak sekali event-event yang bisa diselenggarakan di Indonesia. Dan tentunya akan bermanfaat untuk menggalang turisme di Indonesia, memperkenalkan Indonesia kalau Indonesia itu tempat yang benar-benar nyaman dan aman untuk dikunjungi.
Well, I'm just wrapping up coming out of the Joining Land and Sea workshop here at Novotel Bogor Golf Resort, very kindly hosted by BIG, and it has just been a fantastic couple of days. We've covered everything from discussions around capacity building to use cases and examples of building connections between the land and sea, and then we got to go on an epically amazing tour of old city Jakarta. We planted mangroves, and it's just been an all-out outstanding experience. So thank you very much to everybody involved. It's been wonderful.